Have you ever looked confident on the outside, but inside felt like you were shrinking? Maybe it was a family or friends gathering, in a classroom, a meeting, a presentation, or a Zoom call. You smiled, you nodded, you spoke, but deep inside, your body was very uncomfortable or maybe screaming. You just wanted to disappear. Whatever you feel in such situations is not your weakness. It is an outdated subconscious pattern running on autopilot. But what if confidence wasn't something you chase or build over the years? What if it were something you could trigger at the snap of your fingers on command, just like pressing a button? The moment you apply this technique, your mind will allow access to your confidence, which is already stored within your nervous system. It sounds magical, but it's not magic. In this video, I will show you how to install that button in less than 60 seconds. Not 90, 60 seconds, using a powerful NLP technique called anchoring. It takes less than a minute to build, and once it's wired in, you will have access to a completely different version of yourself. The one that walks in, shows up, and stays present. I am Dr. MD, strategist for subconscious mastery, peak performance, and success. I hold a Guinness World Record in super memory. I'm a certified hypnotherapist, and I help people rewire their brains to unlock extraordinary focus, resilience, and mental clarity. This is a part of my full series, Change Your Mind, Change Your Life. And the free workbook is available for a limited period. Download links in the description. Let's begin. We have been taught a lie that confidence is something you are either born with or spend years earning. It's not true. Elders, teachers, and society, they have time and again taught us that confidence is a trait. And that was a lie that they told you because they didn't know the truth. They didn't know that it isn't a trait. I want you to know today what very few people realize, that confidence is a state. It's not something you have. It's something you do. You have already felt it before. Maybe on a good day, when things flowed, when you weren't overthinking, but you weren't trained to access it on command. And that is what changes today. You are going to learn a tool called triple sensory anchoring. It's a technique from NLP that creates a fast shortcut in your brain so that with one gesture, you can trigger the exact state of mind you want. Confident, calm, focused. Let's install it now. And remember, we are installing a button for confidence that works. And these are the techniques used by the top performers in international sports. And you will know how powerful this is only when you follow the instructions and engage with me 100%. After you finish practicing this technique, I will explain why it works. So let's begin. Close your eyes if it is safe. Think of a moment when you felt unstoppable. Maybe it was small. Doesn't matter. What matters is intensity. Let that memory build. See what you saw. Hear what you heard. Feel what you felt. Expand it. Multiply it. See it as if it's happening now. Feel the sensation. Amplify the feeling. Make the images bright and big. Add your favorite motivational song or music if you'd like. Feel the state running through your veins, in your bones, in every fiber and muscle of your body. Feel it intensify. Now, Choose a gesture, something unique. Press your thumb and index finger together, or tap your knuckles. It must be something you don't usually do. And as the feeling reaches its peak, lock it in with that gesture. That is, tap your knuckles or press your thumb and index finger together, but with pressure. Hold that state and hold the fingers. Breathe it in. Let the emotion flood your system. Stay there for 30 seconds. Now, let go. Shake it off. Think of your breakfast. Break the state completely. Now repeat the process. 2 more peak moments. Stack them. And each time you fire the anchor, this is firing the anchor, the emotion gets stronger. The button becomes real. Now, why does this work? Because your brain is a pattern matching machine. Every time you pair that gesture with a powerful state, in our case it's confidence, it carves a new neural pathway. The more you use it, the faster it activates. That's neuroplasticity. Now, let's upgrade it. The technique is not yet over, so let's upgrade it with body posture. Your body is the software. Your posture is electricity. Stand tall, chest open, spine erect, chin slightly up. This is what Amy Cuddy's research calls a power pose. When your body expands, your brain shifts. Now, while holding this posture, press your anchor again. You have just wired emotional intensity, body language, and gesture into one powerful loop. This is the loop elite performers use. Not by chance, by training. Practice this as many times as you can, till the time it feels natural. And all you have to do is, next time when you want that confidence back, just execute or trigger the anchor. Your challenge this week is simple. Use the button. Before a meeting, before a hard conversation, before a tough decision. Don't overthink it. Just use it. And then comment below. What's one moment where you are going to use your confidence button? Declare it. That makes it real. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. The next episodes go deeper into rewiring the subconscious patterns that secretly control your reality. And if you are done living by old scripts, if you are ready to take full control of your state, your focus, and your identity, FoundationX is the next step. This is my flagship system for deep subconscious rewiring. Not fluff, not hype. Real tools, real transformation. We don't just install confidence, we rewire the entire framework that creates it. Habits, emotions, beliefs, triggers, all updated at the root. If you are ready, the link is below. Come inside FoundationX and let's reprogram the system completely. You now have the button. Use it. This is Dr. MD. I will see you in the next one. Take charge.